everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Kelly's Crafts. Today, we're going to be talking about all things game night. So come with me as we prepare crafts to go along with your game night that you might have. What was your favorite game growing up? Did you play kickball, kick the can? My favorite was Spotlight. Not sure what Spotlight is? It's when you would play hide and seek in the dark. We would do it in the summertime, and it was always so fun. I'm a very competitive person, and when I win, I like to celebrate. So for this craft, we're gonna make some confetti poppers. You want a toilet paper roll or an empty paper towel roll. You're gonna need scissors for this, some balloons, and any type of colored paper that you have. I'm using index cards, but you can use construction paper, regular paper, weighted paper, really anything. And this is a great craft for all levels, and I'll explain how we can make it a little bit easier for people that might have some trouble with their dexterity. So, you take the paper towel holder, that's gonna be your main thing, and you take the balloon. The first thing you want to do is tie the balloon up, like just as you would tie a normal balloon. Okay. Whoops. There we go. So once it's tied, you just want to cut off that bottom half right there. So that's what we're going to do. Just hold it however you'd like, but make sure you just get that top half off. Okay. And we're going to take our opening and put it on the toilet paper holder, or toilet paper roll, excuse me. Okay, now it's kind of like a little hat, right? But it doesn't fit quite well. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna put some tape on it. Now what I like to do, if I know that I'm gonna have to be taping something, and there's gonna be more than one piece of tape that needs to go to it, like say for presents or something, I like to plan ahead and prepare. So I just go ahead and rip the tape and put it on a cup or a table or whatnot. And if your loved one has a little bit of trouble, you can always put it on the cup for them so that they can just have it. Remember, we want everyone to be as independent as possible. So once you have your tape and you've got your balloon on your toilet paper roll, you just want to make sure you tape it all up nice and tight so no air gets in. So we'll just go around a couple of times with it just to make sure all of the air holes are closed up. Oops. There we go. And see, I just have to pull it off. I'm not worried about trying to find where it begins or ends or getting frustrated. Everything is just ready to go. All right, so now comes the fun part. Let me just do one more. It's time to make the confetti. And this is fun because you can do really whatever you want. You can use a hole puncher if you've got that. Whoops, this sticky tape. You can use one of these. It's a scrapbook puncher. These are stars. You can do that if you'd like. You can also take the paper and a pair of scissors. And just so you know, they make up bigger scissors with an easier handle if your loved one is having trouble grabbing things. And you can just start cutting, right? So what I like to do is take just anything really. I'm gonna use a lunch bag because that's what's right next to me. Excuse me. So just take something that's a little bit bigger than the confetti that you're gonna make. So it'll be a catch-all. So I've just cut down the lines and then I'll just cut straight across. Excuse me. There we go. And you do want to make a pretty decent amount of confetti, but it's just like this. All right, and then there we go. Now, if it's easier maybe to pull, we can tear it too. It's confetti, right? So you can tear it into little pieces and that can be your confetti. No right or wrong way. Okay. Now, if you want to get really fancy You can design the tube, the toilet paper roll, to make it a little bit more fancy or fun. Once you get all of your confetti, you want to just put it down. So what I'll do, just kind of put it in the cup. And then you just pour it down. Oh, whoops, that's okay. All right. Now I have used 3 different colors here. You can use 1 color, you can use 20 colors. Again, it's really just whatever you prefer. Oh, these are from my cutout pieces. Okay, now, are we ready? We're gonna see how it works. So for the winner of game night, everyone can make one, and at the end, all right,